Hello Anna and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. I will be covering the website, the front page, the contents, the Google business profile and backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have links to the different services that you provide, a little bit of an intro in terms of the areas of the company and the areas that you serve and the different products and services that you provide, as well as a contact us form. So in general terms, it's a very nice picture, it's a very nice website with very nice pictures that you could potentially add a click to call button at the top, the contact us form at the top. So just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. And then in terms of the amount of content, right now your website and your front page has 225 words. If I have a look at two of your competitors, Fairchild, these guys have around 1,493 words. And then if I look at Casablanca, Miami, these guys have 802 words. So just have a look at the amount of content, because if you are able to include more and more relevant content, so buyer intent keywords, then it's going to be easier for Google to understand your website and then to find you, and then it will index you and start ranking you. So the sweet spot for Google is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words so that you are optimized for Google. So just bear that in mind. Now I came here to the Google search and I type in Nursery Miami. You usually see the Google Ads section at the top, which are really good at driving traffic. They can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. Then the next section is the Google Maps, and this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures. You also need reviews, and you need something that we call citations, which is basically to be listed on directories. And those details, the name, address, and phone number, they have to be an exact match with those of your Google business profile so that Google can start, so that you can rank at the top for the Google Map Pack. And then the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search. And to rank here, first your website needs to be built correctly, and then you need something that we call backlinks. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and in here I can see that you have 1,150 backlinks in 17 referring domains. So that is 17 external websites are directing traffic towards yours through 1,150 backlinks. If I have a look at Fairchild, these guys have this is a landing page for Miami. They have 5 backlinks in 4 external websites, and Casablanca Mia, they have 550 backlinks in 255 referring domains. So although they have less backlinks, they are managing to rank at the top for Nursery Miami. So it's just important to have a look at that backlink profile, because it's not just a matter of having more backlinks, but having backlinks that are powerful, and that means that those links are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services, to the products, and to your industry, so that Google can start regarding your website as an authority in that particular field. Now, in terms of the organic keywords, your website is being found for 40 organic keywords, and in this view, I can see what those keywords are. And then the volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position in which your website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So anything beyond the 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so your website is not capable of driving too much traffic. So you can see here, for example, Nursery Miami FL has a search volume of 100, but you're in position 23. Miami Nursery 200, position 27. Nursery Miami 600, position 28. If I have a look at Fairchild, these guys are being found for 425 organic keywords, and some of those keywords, so for example, Plant Nursery Miami, they're in the first position. Miami Nursery, search volume of 200, they're in the first position. Miami Plant Nursery, first position, 150. Nursery Miami, second position, 600 searches per month. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords with a higher search volume, because you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, because then a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land as new customers. And that's how having a responsive and correctly built website uh, with a strong backlink profile can result in the growth of your traffic and the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Uh, Please feel free to use this information to increase the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me some feedback. My contact details are at the bottom of the emails. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.